Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 19 of the chapter linear equations in one variable. In this part 19, we will continue solving the exercise questions of 2.3. We have solved yesterday, that is in our session 18 up to the question number 3rd. Now, we will start from the question number 4 onwards. Students, we are given linear equations in one variable having the variable on both the side of equality. You could see here z is the variable and variable term is 4z in left hand side. Along with that, we have a constant or a number 3 as an addend to that variable term 4z in left hand side, and in right hand side we have got 6 being a constant term, or you can say number as addend, and variable term is 2 times z. Now, to solve this, as I explained you in the previous session, we will take all the constant terms in one side and all the variable terms in the other side. Like first I transpose addend 3 to the right hand side, we will have 6 plus 2z minus 3, because this addend comes and becomes subtrahend. Now, after simplification, 2z, 6 and minus 3 are like terms, of their simplification is results as plus 3. Now, I will transpose this variable term 2z to the left hand side. Since it is addend, if it comes to the left hand side, it becomes subtrahend. So, 4z minus 2z equals to 3, and 4z minus 2z is 2 into z, or 2 times z. Now, this 2 is a multiplicand in left hand side. If it is transposed, it becomes z equal to 3 upon 2, or you can say 1.5 or 1.5. So, we have z value being a fraction, and they are asking us to check. We will do the checking here. So, when you are checking, as I have already mentioned, you have to take separately LHS, where LHS is 4 times z plus 3, where 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3, you know 4 times of 3 by 2 is 6 plus 3 is 9. This I have done left hand side. Right hand side I am checking now, where right hand side is 6 plus 2z, where 6 plus 2 times of 3 by 2, or 1.5 I say, which is equals to 3. 6 plus 3 is again 9. So, we say left hand side is equals to right hand side. That means we correctly found the value of z, and this 3 by 2 is exactly the solution only. We will confirm ourselves after checking. Okay. So, this is the method of doing. Continuing further, in the question number 5, the same procedure I will do it, but I will not write all the steps. I will crisply do faster those steps. So, I expect you doing now properly on your own. So 14 minus x, here variable term is x, it is subtrahend. If it comes this side, it becomes addend. Similarly, this is a numerical term or a constant term, it is a subtrahend. If it comes this side, it becomes addend. So 14 plus 1. We have now 2x plus x giving you 3x and 14 plus 1 being 15. Here 3 is multiplicand. If it comes this side, it does division, and 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. So therefore, I got the solution of this equation as x equal to 5. So write the conclusion. Solution of this equation is x equals to 5. You have to write the working steps now. And now I am going for now checking. In checking, what we will do? Separately we will take LHS, where LHS is 2x minus 1. On substitution of 5 instead of x gives us 10 minus 1, which is 9. Now I am doing RHS separately, where RHS is 14 minus x, 14 minus 5, again that also gives you 9. So we say therefore left hand side value is equals to right hand side value. It confirms us that the solution what we found is correct. Now coming to the question number 6. Here children, 8x plus 4 equals to 3 into this 3 into x minus 1 means we are distributing 3 multiplication over subtraction, what we have already learned in the chapter rational numbers. So 3 into x minus 3 into 1 is 3. So plus 7, 3x minus 3 plus 7, simplification is plus 4. So 8x plus 4 equals to 3x plus 4. Now on transposing, plus 4 comes here and becomes minus 4, and 3x remains as it is. This plus 4 minus 4 get cancels. Now 8x equals to 3x, which means we have nothing here. Let us consider it as something added to 0. Now if I take 3x this side, it becomes 8x minus 3x equals to 0, 5x equals to 0. It implies x equals to 0 upon 5. It implies x equals to 0. This is the right answer. Children, normally what happens? You will get confused here while solving. You will go wrong by cancelling x and x, and you will take 8 equal to 3, which is wrong. You have to consider something it is added to 0. Once again, I am showing you 8x plus 4 equals to 3x plus 4. We take all the variable term one side, all the numerical terms another side. So 8x minus 3x equals to 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8x minus 3x is 5x, and x equal to 5 is multiplying. If it comes this side, it does division. 0 by 5, you know, 0 upon non-zero number gives you 0. So the value of the x is here 0. Okay, very important this question. And now let us go for checking whether we have done correctly or not. Now we shall do checking. We know in the question left hand side we will do separately. The left hand side is 8x plus 4, in which 8 into 0 plus 4, 8 into anything is 0 into anything is 0, 0 plus 4 implies 0 plus 4 is 0. This is left hand side. And what is right hand side? RHS is, right hand side is 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So, 3 times of x minus 1 plus 7, substituting instead of x 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 gives you minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7, and I am actually writing this side. So, right hand side is equal to minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4, therefore, left hand side value equals to right hand side value. Therefore, x equals to 0 is the solution of given equation. So, this is how we conclude. Okay. Now, coming to the question number 7. In question number 7, watch carefully. X equal to, we have got in left hand side also variable term, 4 by 5 into x plus 10. See students, here we have 4 by 5 being multiplicand and x plus 10 is another multiplicand. So, since this is a fraction, we look this or we think that this is tough question. Nothing. What you have to do is remove this fraction. How to remove this fraction? Or get rid of this denominator. How to get rid of this denominator? We get rid of denominator just by multiplying. So, multiplying on both sides by 5. That means 5 into x is 5x is left hand side, and 5 into 4 by 5 makes this 5 denominator get cancels with this into x plus 10. Now, in the next step what you look like this is 4 into x plus 10. Now, it is easy to solve because it is distributive property 4 into x, 4 into 10, multiplication over addition. So, 5x equals to 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 10 is 40. Now, this variable term I am transposing, since it is addend, it becomes subtrahend. 5x minus 4x is 40, 5x minus 4x is x, x equal to 40 is the solution. Students, now tell me one thing, how can I check? It is very simple. Substitute x equals to 40 separately in left hand side, separately in right hand side. You will get the same answer or not, you can cross check. So, now it is your duty to do checking. Checking is your work. Now, I will just solve, you can check on your own. Then coming to the next question number 8, here again 2x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Students, again we have got some fractions here. How to get rid of them? To get rid of them, multiplying is the only easy way. Multiply on both sides by, now tell me by which number should I multiply? Very simple children, you multiply by the LCM of those denominators. Here denominator is 3 in this fraction, Here denominator is 15 in this fraction. So LCM of these 3 and 15 is 15. By that fellow I will multiply. So 15 multiplied to 2x by 3 plus 1 in left hand side, 15 into 7x by 15 plus 3 in right hand side. It is just like a distribution, multiplication over addition. So 15 into 2x by 3 plus 15 into 1, 15 equals to 15 into 7x by 15 plus 15 into 3 is 45. So here 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So 5 twos are 10x plus 15 equals to 15 ones are, 15 ones are. So both are get cancelled and nothing will be residues. Just left over, nothing here. 1 by 1 is 1 only. 7x into 1 is 1. Sorry, 7x into 1 is 7x. So 7x plus 45. Now you know the procedure of solving. This is the way we have got all the questions till question number 6. You know how to solve this. So 10x plus 15 equals to 7x plus 45. I am transposing 7x that side plus 15 this side. All variable terms one side, all numerical terms another side. So 10x, here 7x is addend, comes and becomes subtrahend in left hand side. Here 15 is addend, comes and becomes to the right hand side as a subtrahend. So 10x minus 7x is 3x equals to 45 minus 15 is 30. Here 3 is multiplicand. If it is transposed to right hand side, it does division. So x equals to 30 by 3 is 10. X equal to 10 is the solution of the given equation. Okay. So now you do checking. Checking is done by you taking separately left hand side, substituting x equal to 10, separately right hand side of the equation, substituting x equal to 10, find the values of them and cross check LHS value is equals to RHS value or not. Now coming to the question number 9. In question number 9 also I have same fractions and I have to get rid of them. Same procedure. Multiply both the sides by, now watch here 3 is the one, so LCM of 3 and 3 is 3 only. So 3 into 2y plus 5 by 3 equals to 3 into 26 by 3 minus y. See students, the moment you multiply the binomial, we say binomial, it's a two term, by number, it's a distributive property. So multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. So 3 into 2y is 6y plus 3 into 5 by 3 equals to 3 into 26 by 3 minus 3 into y. Now 3 get cancels, 3 get cancels. So 6y plus 5 equals to 26 minus 3y. So this is the equation what we have got. It looks like a same equation. So far we have solved up to the question number 6. Now I will transpose all the variable terms in one side and all the constant terms on other side. So let me do it that here. So 6y, this side minus 3y, that means it's a subtrahend, that comes and becomes addend in left hand side, equals to 26, and this side 5 is addend. If it comes to the right hand side, it becomes subtrahend. So 6y plus 3y is 9y and 26 minus 5 is 21. So, y equals to 21 divided by 9, because 9 is multiplicand and does division this side on transposing. So, 21 divided by 9 is, with the 3 cancellation, with their HCF 3 cancelling them, leaves 7 upon 3 or 2 integer 1 upon 3. So, this is the value of the variable which we call it as a solution, is the solution. Now, you do checking on your own. Okay. Now, for another question 10. See, coming to the question number 10, this question number 10, 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. Same, since it is having fraction, I have to get rid of this denominator. The same procedure, multiply both sides by here 5, because there is only one denominator 5. So, 5 into 3m equals to 5 into 5m minus 8 upon 5. So, 5 into 3m is 15m. So, multiplication over subtraction, this distributive property is used. 5 5s are 25m, 5 into minus 5 into 8 by 5. So, this 5 get cancels the 5. So, left hand side I have got 15m, right hand side I have got 25m minus, so 8. Students, this is similar to the questions what we have already solved. So, I will transpose all the variable terms to one side and all the numerical terms on the other side. Here 25m, if I take it this side, it becomes subtrahend. So, 25m, how I will get this as subtrahend, children, that you may have a doubt. Though it is here minuend, try to observe its sign is plus. If it comes this side, it becomes minus sign, opposite of the plus sign it becomes, equals to minus 8. So, which is remains as it is, the subtrahend symbol is here in front of it is minus sign. So, 15m minus 25m, 15m minus 25m is minus 10m, which equals to minus 8. This minus 10 is a multiplicand. If it goes that side, it does division. So, minus 8 by minus 10, which implies negative negative cancels, 8 by 10 is 4 by 5. So, the value of m is 4 by 5, which we call as a solution. So, students, I expect you doing checking on your own even in this question. So, with this we have completed all the questions of the exercise 2.3. So, I will stop this session with this. We will start our next session with some more applications of the linear equations in one variable. So, till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy. Jai Hind. Thank you.